Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make variable Figma. First, understand that variables are powerful tools for creating flexible and consistent designs. They allow you to define reusable values for properties such as colors, spacing, and text. This approach significantly streamlines your workflow, ensuring that changes made to a single variable instantly propagate throughout your entire project, saving you countless hours of manual adjustments and maintaining design integrity across all your frames and components. To begin creating variables, navigate to the Design panel on the right side of your Figma interface. Locate and click on the Local Variables section to expand it. Here, you will find a button labeled Create Variable. Clicking this allows you to choose from 4 types: color, number, string, or Boolean. Select the appropriate type, give your variable a clear name, and set its initial value. For instance, you might create a color variable named primary blue with a specific hex code. Once your variables are defined, applying them to your design elements is straightforward. Select any layer or object on your canvas, such as a rectangle or text box. In the Design panel, you will notice a small variable icon next to various properties like fill, stroke, or gap. Click this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying all your available variables. Simply select the variable you wish to apply, and the property will instantly adopt that variable's value, creating a dynamic link. Figma variables also support collections and modes, which are incredibly powerful for managing complex design systems. Collections allow you to group related variables, such as colors or spacing. Within a collection, you can define multiple modes, like light theme and dark theme, each with different values for the same variables. This enables you to switch between entire design variations with a single click, making it easy to preview and manage different states of your user interface efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.